So what we want to do on positioning, there's one spring in the middle because the hands are on the chair. The rib cage is clear of the edge of the chair. The belly button is in the middle of the edge of the chair. The buttocks is contracted and the legs are long. Now lift the pedal a little bit tiny off the floor, just a tiny bit to engage your stomach. Pull the shoulders into the back. Now lift up and pull the shoulders back. Lift up. And then go down. This is half swan. And lift. And down. And lift, pull the shoulders back. And now just stay right here. Take the right arm out to the side. Hold it here and pump the other arm. 3 and 2 and 1. Hold, pump it again. And 3 and 2 and 1. Stop now. Put this hand down. Good. Now stretch the other one out to the side. Now pull it up and into the rib cage. And 3 pumps. And 1. Don't move the body around. 2 and 3. Hold still for a second. Reestablish. Bring this forward a little bit. That's it. Now pump it again. And 3 and 2 and 1. Hold. Now both arms down. Now curl the upper back. Okay, so now dive down into the chair, pivoting on the belly button. Come up and pull the shoulders back. Dive down onto the belly button. The legs are up. Come up, balance on the front of the thighs. Only one more. Down on the belly button. Come up, balance on the thighs, and stay. One arm back at a time. Now back down and then forward. That was nice.